Hey there, it's Miss Kitty Rose from the next chapter over here at BronxNet. You got a show idea or content to share that can make waves in our community? Ever find yourself stuck on what to do next? How to promote, market, or share your message effectively? Well, I've got fantastic news for you. Join me for an exclusive marketing workshop. Learn how to strategize with current market trends that creates content that truly shines. Head to bronxnet.org, click on the Join Us tab, and then select Education to sign up for my class today. Seats are limited, so don't miss out. I'm here to help you get the most of your digital content. Sign up now. I'll see you there.